Homee Fashion Company Limited, first established in 2005, is comprised of both highly experienced mosaic professionals and technicians, as well as young and forward-thinking staff. We are a disciplined and expanding China-based mosaic manufacturer, focusing on an export sales market. Currently, we're coordinating with our customers in North America, South America, Europe, and Australia. At Homee, our focus is innovative design and marketable product choice, utilizing new technologies to inspire and challenge us and improve our production capabilities, global sourcing of unique and sustainable materials, efficient operational procedures for superior mosaic production and prompt delivery, consistent and meticulous quality control, environmental awareness in product sourcing, factory planning and production. Homee's staff of over 100 skilled and focused employees contribute to the research, design development, color laboratory, production, inspection, shipping and sales of our products. We pride ourselves on disciplined and streamlined production procedures to ensure safety, reduce risk, and deliver superior quality and punctual shipping. Homee is audited and certified yearly by SGS for full adherence to the ISO 9001 quality management system. Homee keeps pace with state-of-the-art technologies in the mosaic industry, incorporating inkjet glazing, waterjet cutting, diverse spray coatings, textural effects, sandblasting, CNC cutting, as well as hand-done processes, into our mosaic products. Each process is operated by highly skilled technicians in compliance with the ISO 9001 quality management system. Homee's target is to create a mosaic identity with original and well-received products.